From what I have researched and read, the top 10 companies that employees want to work to, according to the website that I have looked into, are Hilton number one, Cisco number two, Nvidia, American Express, Synchrony, Wegmans Food Markets Incorporated, Accenture, Marriott International Incorporated, Cadence, Comcast Corporation. Hilton is a leading global hospitality company with a portfolio of 24 world-class brands comprising more than 7,600 properties and nearly 1.2 million rooms in 126 countries and territories. Dedicated to fulfilling its founding vision to fill the earth with delight and warm hospitality, Hilton has welcomed over 3 billion guests in its more than 100-year history, was named the number one world's best workplace by Great Place to Work and Fortune and has been recognized as a global leader on the Dow Jones Sustainability Indices for 7 consecutive years. Cisco is the worldwide leader in technology that powers the internet. What sets Cisco apart is the combination of trust, innovation, and choice. Three unique elements that are supported and furthered by culture, purpose, and people. Number three, NVIDIA pioneered accelerated computing to tackle challenges no one else can solve. NVIDIA's work in AI and digital is transforming the world's largest industries and profoundly impacting society. American Express is a leading global payment company that offers credit and charge cards to consumers, small businesses, mid-sized companies, and large corporations worldwide. American Express provides various products and services to diverse customer groups through multiple channels such as mobile apps, online platforms, affiliate marketing, customer programs, and direct sales efforts. Synchrony. The driving force is to be essential to people's everyday lives. By making it easier for the tens of millions of people to rely on Synchrony to access their essential needs and everyday wants with the consumer financing that works for them. Synchrony do this by helping people make informed, smart credit choices so they can live healthier financial lives and by connecting them to Synchrony ecosystem of hundreds of thousands of small and mid-sized businesses and healthy and wellness providers that are the backbone of the economy. On the other hand, Wegmans Food Markets Incorporated, a values-based family company on a mission to help people live healthier, better lives through exceptional food, vibrant high-volume stores, enchant shoppers with a European market feel and sensory experience. From smelling artisan breads, baking, selecting varieties of color, fresh produce sourced near our stores, or getting a taste of our own line of cave-ripened cheeses. Freshly prepared, delicious restaurant foods in a friendly atmosphere make Wegmans a destination for all meals or for online delivery. Accenture is a global professional services company with leading capabilities in digital cloud and security, combining unmatched experience and specialized skills across more than 40 industries. Accenture offers strategy and consulting, technology and operation services, all powered by the world's largest network of advanced technology and intelligent operations centers. Marriott International Incorporated is based in Bethesda, Maryland, USA, and encompasses a portfolio of nearly 8,900 properties across more than 30 leading brands in 141 countries and territories. Marriott operates and franchises hotels and licenses vacation ownership resorts all around the world. The company offers Marriott Bonvoy, its highly awarded travel program. Cadence is a pivotal leader in electronic system design, building upon more than 30 years of computational software expertise. The company applies its underlying intelligent system design strategy to deliver software, hardware, and IP that turn design concepts into reality. Cadence customers are the world's most innovative companies delivering extraordinary electronic products from chips to boards to complete systems for the most dynamic market applications including hyperscale computing, 5G communications, automotive, mobile, aerospace, consumer, industrial, and healthcare. Compass Corporation is a global media and technology company. From the connectivity and platforms we provide, the content and experience they create, and businesses reach hundreds of millions of customers, viewers, and guests worldwide. In the video that I'm taking now is that I want the company I work to for now and the ones I may work for in the future. Uh, it is not applicable for me right now because I was terminated in my last work or job. But I want to see in my future company that I will work with in the future will be there is no discrimination, for example, language barrier, no bullying. I want a company that has employees that are professional, work professional, and act like professional. There is no place for a company to bully somebody or do horseplay in a workplace. Factors that attract and please workers. From what I have read about the surveys on CEOs, police officers, truck drivers, cooks, and engineers to understand what makes employees happy. They found that happy employees are more productive and loyal. According to my research, this summarizes what different companies offer that appeals workers. To create a happier workplace, organizations should focus on trust, fairness, and listening. Trust can be built by empowering employees and giving them autonomy. Fairness can be achieved by treating all employees equally, regardless of their rank or position. Listening can be improved by actively engaging with employees and considering their ideas. By implementing these strategies, organizations can create a more positive and productive work environment. That is all for my report. Thank you.